Hey everybody, let's say that you have a transaction, whether it be a buyer or a listing, that went under contract or pending. You've turned in all your paperwork to the MCA department, and then for some reason the deal falls apart. And then you get another deal on it. So how do you turn in your paperwork with that? So what you do is once you're in your opportunity, you're under documents. And like I said, we're going to assume that this current paperwork that I've submitted to the MCA department, this deal fell apart. Up at the top, there's this little arrow next to the under contract, and you can add a version. So we're going to add a version. It says automatically defaults under contract version 2. You can name that whatever, just so the MCA department knows what's going on. We'll just say new deal as of 5/29, something like that. Create the new version. And now you see you can add the new documents for that actual deal that's going good. You can switch back and forth between the versions if you want to. You can add additional versions, and you would do it just like you normally did. I would upload my documents and submit to the Market Center. Now, the only thing that you can't update yet is the commission from the prior deal. So in order to get that information to the MCA department, we've developed a page for you on the One Stop. So if you go to the KWL One Stop, under Office, the MCA resource page, it's going to make you log in if you haven't already. And then, by the way, this is a great page for some quickie resources on turning in deals and things like that. But you'll see if you scroll down here, commission update form. So anything that has a red asterisk, you're going to fill out. That's required. And any changes are optional. You can fill out there. Once you fill out that form, submit it. That will go to Shannon as the assistant MCA, and she will update all the records on their back end accordingly. So that's what we've got. A couple of updates that I found from Command that makes our lives a little bit easier if you have deals that fall apart. As always, you can reach out to me at technology@kwlakeside.com if you have any questions.